welcome to my vlog. I have a surprise for you today. My mum went out and bought me a little present, an early birthday present to be exact. And I want to share it with you. I want to show you. It was awesome and I'm so excited. You want to see it? You want to see it? You want to see it? Look at it, it's so pretty and shiny. It's so cute, I love it. I'm gonna use it. Yeah, I went with the Bosch Toshimo coffee maker simply because I was in 50-50 about it, and I had a look what coffee they do, and they do Costa, which is my favourite, and they do, wait for it, they do Oreo hot chocolate, so that kind of won me over. And I'm gonna show you exactly what it does. Enjoy. I have my nerd cup. It smells really nice. It smells like vanilla. Oh, it's so good. That is really good. So yeah, a little bow in my hair. Sorry about that. Wanted to show you my little bow. So I'll put it on this side because I don't like this side of my face. I am definitely so happy with this new coffee machine. My suggestions, if you're looking for one, go with the Toshimo. It is really good, and they do so many different like flavours and different brands of coffee. They do tea as well. They do Twinings and everything for my mum. So yeah, so hope you enjoyed. My mum's getting heavy. I hope you enjoyed this little short vlog, and I'll hope to see you soon. Bye!